Alright, this would be the front left side piece, where you got your up, down, left, and right movement. And initially, it looked more like this side piece, but except it had the more like a T shape instead of the buttons. Then I realized I had one of these, a nice 2-axis joystick from an old sensor package I'd gotten a while ago. Only problem is it is analog. I think it uses 2 potentiometers to kind of gauge the movements by going to either like 5 volts or ground, and then somewhere in between at neutral. So I did need to buy a analog to digital converter to work with the Pi, and so I went with the MCP3008, which is that thing. So that's already wired up actually. I just gotta get these wires connected to this, and yeah, then we should be set after that. And the wiring for this is going to look more or less the same. I mean, the same structures on the side to guide the wires, same speaker, except no buttons as far as that goes, and no start select right there. Final product looks like that. So